This is my 2007 V10 manual M5, and I'm on the journey of turning this BMW into my dream car. So far, we have put new rod bearings in this V10, installed the world's loudest exhaust system, upgraded the entire interior to CSL spec, and even wrapped it white with the CSL prototype's livery. And the last thing we're waiting on are these insane deep dish wheels, which I've been waiting since April. The longer I wait, the more mad I get. I mean, I'm about to fix this up. Must be one of them kids. Where's the package? Oh. Wow, these are pretty light. We have been waiting about a half year for this moment. Okay, these might be the nicest wheels I've ever owned on any of my cars. Deep dish, kind of like a Apex or BBS style wheel that was sent to us by a newer company, which is Balanced Forge. If you guys are looking for any kind of wheels, any kind of style, I'll leave all their information in the description. These are fully forged, super lightweight wheels. So that being said, this is the front wheel. We went 1 inch wider than stock. So these are 19 by 9.5s. That's exactly how wide it is. So factory was 8.5, this is 9.5 wide. And then in the rear, we're gonna be running 10.5, which is gonna be fantastic, but it's also not gonna be too wide. It'll still keep the weight lighter than if we went even wider in the rear. And we're still gonna be able to put that power down without losing any traction at all. I think these look fantastic. I think a deep dish wheel on the older style BMWs looks the best. They look good on the new ones, but I think this color of wheel is gonna match the grills, all the side grills, even the trunk badge. It's just gonna complement and tie everything together. These are the factory wheels from BMW, and these are the only wheels they offered on the E60 M5. Now, they look great in their factory BBS wheels. And on just a couple of the wheels, we have some pretty bad curb rash from the previous owner. And these wheels are kind of like the last piece of the puzzle as far as restoring this car and making it look brand new. And that is the goal. And install these wheels, there's one huge problem with the M5 I need to fix. It's the fact that we cannot turn traction control off inside this car. M mode, you'll see MDM comes on. Cool. If we look down here, there's no DSC off button anywhere to be found. So, long story short, apparently the 07 BMW M5 E60 manuals did not come with the DSC off button. They offered it as a software update later on. So after doing some quick ChatGPT research, I found out that you can unplug a wheel speed sensor, which is not recommended to any of you guys at all. But this will at least allow us to turn traction control off temporarily, and then we can plug that wheel speed sensor back in. Problem is, this garage is super dark, and we're gonna need the help from the sponsor of today's video, which is Olight. Olight was nice enough to send out their latest and greatest flashlight, the ArkPro Ultra. The ArkPro Ultra is by far the best tool to use in the garage. This thing is super lightweight, durable, and has 4 different modes built in: spotlight, floodlight, built-in laser mode, and ultraviolet or UV mode. The ArkPro Ultra is also magnetic and provides lighting in nearly every scenario, which is perfect for those tedious DIY jobs. In the past, the ArkPro Ultra has allowed us to transform almost every interior part inside of this E60 M5, all on one battery charge. And today we'll be using it to finally turn traction control off for the first time in this E60. This tool also has a built-in hat clip, allowing you to attach it to any hat, giving you the best POV lighting. For this job, all we have to do is reach behind the wheel, undo the 2 clips that opens up the box, which is exactly where you'll find the sensor we need to unplug. Right there is the wheel speed sensor, the one on the left. Not only is this going to turn traction control off, it's also going to turn ABS off. So not recommended. I just really want to hear what this car sounds like with traction off. And it is an M5. I feel like all M5s you need to know what that's like. So we're gonna unplug it, hook it up safely temporarily, and then plug it back in before we get it coated. It actually worked. Now, it's good we put the wires back in the box, everything's secure, we put electrical tape on it so no dust gets in the terminals. And this is a very temporary solution, and it wouldn't be possible without Olight. Huge thanks to them. If you guys are interested in getting yourself or a loved one an Olight ArkPro Ultra, I'll leave all information in the description box below. But this is the first time I've ever turned traction control off in this car, and this might be the first time this car has ever had its traction control turned off. Oh my gosh, she breaks traction so easily. Almost too easily. Yeah, we're gonna have to be careful with this. Still 507 horsepower. We're back! V10 manual M5. I haven't even been driving one until today. This car drives so different. Oh my gosh, let's go ahead and get these wheels on the car so we can do some more of that.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and them. Ain't worried about the other side, they know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above, keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worked in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working.
Yeah, these wheels look absolutely amazing. I've never owned a pair of wheels like this, and I think these are my favorite wheels I've ever had on any of my cars. It's got that nice classic deep dish like DBS type look. Also, something I noticed is they are significantly lighter than the factory OEM wheels. Even though the factory wheels are an inch more narrow than these are fully forged, made with the top of the line technology that's available in 2026 as opposed to 2007. So not only do they look better, they're lighter and then they're wider, which should give us some more performance enhancements. The car should be able to handle much lighter, especially up in the front. We already got a lot of weight from that V10 motor, but stripping some more of that weight. The whole theme of this car from the very beginning has been the CSL vibe. So we're saving even more weight. I'm kind of mad at myself though, because I forgot to weigh these wheels before putting them on. If I had to guess, it's anywhere from a 5 to 10 pound difference per wheel. So altogether, we could be saving on the low end probably like 20 pounds just on wheels alone, which is pretty good. But now we actually have to drive this thing and see if it handles any better instead of looking at things on paper. Oh my gosh. So we definitely got a little squirrely there. Sounds so good. First impressions, I'm definitely feeling the weight savings, mostly in the front, but there's something I'm also noticing. I think the factory wheels were bent because there was a slight vibration at almost exactly 60 miles an hour. The vibration's completely gone. So to me, that tells me there was a slight bend in the wheel but also in that rear left wheel where the curb rash was the worst, there was also a super slow air leak within the tire. And so far we're getting no air leaks with this tire. There's no vibration. So to me, that pretty much confirms the factory wheels were not in good shape at all. At least one of them were bent. And right now the car is riding significantly better than it was previously. Oh my gosh, she feels so much more nimble now. Bro, this has got to be one of the best sounding cars of all time. It's only like 6,000 RPM. Ooh, GTR R34. You know what? This car just feels complete. But the exhaust, listen. I don't know what happened there. I have no idea what happened. And it's nighttime with the M5, and it's looking absolutely incredible. Wheels look spectacular. Center caps are in. What do you guys think? Should we rock it with or without the center caps? I think the blue on the center caps go really well. The stripes, but more importantly, go really well with the Recaro bucket seats. I think it's time to take this thing to its first proper LA car meet at night. So let's hop inside, head over to a local event.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder.
So we made it to the event. You can see the M5 parked up looking good. New wheels are in. I feel like we could drop the front maybe a little bit, but the car's looking sick. Got some McLaren, some exotics, Lamborghini. Rider truck looks really good. Damn, you never see the new AMG in like an orange color like this. That looks really good. Another Huracan, McLaren. The damn inside looks pretty cool in here. Man, it's crazy how big the SoCal car culture has gotten. Those got to be the theme tonight. Look at this R8 crazy kid on it. Koenigsegg, big boy pulling through. Looks like a Regera, top off. Optional tops on the Koenigsegg is pretty wild. Damn. The SF90 as well. The Spark Boys pulling through. Pretty cool livery. It's also a nice E92, similar wheels as mine. Got R8s pulling through, more GT3 RSs too. And brought another GT3 RS. And another Revolta. Man, they got the big boys out tonight. A lot of exotics. Cool to see S2K, another G80 as well. Two G80s actually. Cars are still pulling in, most of them exotic. Nice green on this Huracan. Oh, that's nice, real nice. And another GT3 RS. This has got to be like number 10 of the night. Crazy on this one. I don't think I've seen that wing before. That is very nice. Color is like real sparkly too. Okay, that is what I miss the most about the late night LA car meet. Just the sound. V12, V10. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds good. Cayenne.
Look out, be cautious, there's a ton of cops now. Move, let them in. Look out. Look out, move.
And it looks like LAPD showed up in a helicopter. It's crazy, first meet I've been to in so long. I already got the cops here, CHP, full effect. That is crazy. As you can hear, they're lighting it up out here too. I think it's a good time to just get up out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know how you like the new wheels. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.